Today in this class we are going to learn a new topic. We will be doing chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter is subtraction. So what do you understand with the word subtraction? Subtraction means to take away something. Okay. Like in general term if we talk, say for example if you have a rope or a string in your hand and you want to remove some part of the string. So what will happen? You have subtracted or you have removed away some part of the string. Okay. Now in mathematics we deal with numbers in this subtraction. So what do? We subtract smaller number from the bigger number in case of subtraction. Okay. And I think you must be having some previous knowledge about subtraction, and in class 1 you must have done subtraction of 2-digit number or maybe 1-digit number. Say for example if I ask you subtract 2 from 8. So when you are subtracting 2 from 8, how did you do that? During that time, you have either done done by the standing lines, and you have cancelled the number of the number which you are supposed to be subtracted, like 8. Then from 8 you are subtracting 2. So you have cancelled 2 lines, and the remaining lines what is left, that you count and you write the answer. Okay. And moreover, you must have also learned subtraction of 2-digit number. Now in this class we will be learning little higher version. In this chapter we will be doing subtraction by backward counting, then subtraction by like on the number line, subtraction of 2-digit number with borrowing, subtraction of 3-digit number with borrowing, without borrowing. Both we will be learning in this chapter. Before we go into this chapter, the different topics of this chapter, let me tell you some vocabularies which are being used for subtraction. In case of in the previous chapter also we have learned some vocabularies, isn't it? Like in addition, we have learned the vocabulary of addition. Similarly, for subtraction also we have some vocabulary. Now with these words which I have written on the board, you can understand that if you get or you come across with these words, then you can very well understand that which mathematical operation it is talking about. Correct? So you can see here some of the vocabulary of subtraction. Vocabulary means some similar words which will help you to understand the operation. For example, subtract. From the word subtraction, the subtract has come. Like subtract 2 from 8. No, we get this kind of question. Now minus. Minus is also one of the similar term for subtraction. Then we have a word called left. Leftover or left out or left. Okay. This also tells us about subtraction. Next we have a word called take away or taken away. When we get to know this word in any of the story sum, then we can understand that this question is based on subtraction. Another word is difference. So difference is also used for subtraction. Suppose you are given a question, find the difference. That means what do you have to do? You have to do the subtraction. Alright. Now subtraction, the symbol for subtraction is this. It's just a small hyphen, okay, and which symbolizes the sign of subtraction. Now few more things I would like to tell you about subtraction. That is, how do you in subtraction we have 3 parts actually. I mean 3 terms are there which will help you to understand more better about subtraction. Like for example, I am showing you here. With one example I will try to explain you what are those 3 terms. Say I am subtracting 23 from 57. And remember always that whenever we do subtraction in case of, okay, then we always write the bigger number up and the smaller number down. Correct? Now the larger number from which the smaller number is to be subtracted, it is called minuend. So what is minuend? Minuend is the larger number with which the smaller number is being subtracted. Then second is we have the smaller number, okay, which we have to subtract from the bigger number. So that is called subtrahend. Subtrahend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. Subtrahend. Now what is subtrahend? Subtrahend is the smaller number which is to be subtracted from the bigger number, larger number. Now after getting these two numbers, after knowing these two names, now what do you have to do? We have to subtract. Now let us do the subtraction. First we will start from ones place. In ones place 7 is the number, and what we are going to do, like in class 1 you have learned subtraction by counting the standing lines and then cancelling and all that. So we will also do the same thing. In ones place we have 7 standing lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have to take away or we have to subtract 3. So I am going to cancel 3 standing lines. How many standing lines are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4 here. Similarly, in tens place I have 5, number 5. And how many numbers I have to subtract? 2 I have to subtract. What is the remaining standing line? 3. So after subtracting, the result which we get or the answer which we get, it is called difference. The difference. Okay. So 34 is the difference between 57 and 23. Alright. So these are the 3 terms which we have learned in this class. New. One is minuend. Minuend is the larger number from which the smaller number is subtracted. Subtrahend. What is subtrahend? It is the smaller number from which the larger, the smaller number from which we subtract from the larger number. Okay, and after subtracting, the result which we get is called difference. Correct? So this is just an introduction class, and in the next class I will be dealing with the further topics of this chapter. So I hope you have understood the vocabularies of subtraction and the different terms in subtraction. Alright. Now I would like to give you one more information with regard to maths. I have uploaded one revision test paper in the group. I expect everyone to practice this revision test paper in your copy, maths copy, and it's if you feel like to show me your work, then you can do one thing. You can send your work in Telegram, okay, to me. So from there I will just check and I will send you back. You need not to send in Google Classroom because I am not uploading there. It is for your practice sake, for the preparation of your UT1. So you can do it at home and can practice for UT1 exam. Correct? I think that's all in this video. I hope you have understood whatever I have explained to you just now. So I am not giving you any homework, but what you have to do, you will copy down this example and these terms what we have understood, okay, and the previous vocabularies which I had written in on the board. So these two things you will copy down in your copy, and these are the parts of, or we can say elements of subtraction. So once again I am repeating what is minuend. Minuend is the larger number. Okay. Then what is subtrahend? Subtrahend is the smaller number which is to be subtracted from the larger number, and after subtracting, the result which we get is called the difference. Right? So that's all in this video. Please do practice whatever have been explained to you, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.